$180 versus $248 on comparable listings. Is Nikon D3200 24.2MP digital worth moving on today?
On price alone, this is $180 versus roughly $248 on comparable listings, which still leaves room for value.
Is that value gap backed by enough examples, or should buyers take a longer look?
The evidence is strong here, with 26 comparable active listings, and we are confident this can be a great buy for the right shopper.
Beyond price, what makes this useful for the right buyer?
Who this is great for. This Nikon D3200 camera kit is ideal for beginner photographers looking for a reliable digital SLR with a versatile lens for everyday photography needs.
Bottom line for today's viewer?
The value case is still strong, so this is a smart listing to review before pricing shifts.
$300 ask, $439 market. A4 Sony Vario-Tessar T, FE 16 to 35mm has a clear value gap right now.
On price alone, this is $300 versus roughly $439 on comparable listings, which still leaves room for value.
Do the comps and confidence still support moving on this one soon?
The evidence is strong here, with 29 comparable active listings, and we are confident this can be a great buy for the right shopper.
What real-world use case matters most here?
Practical everyday fit. This Sony Vario-Tessar T FE 16 to 35mm f4 ZAOSS lens is ideal for photographers looking for a versatile wide-angle lens compatible with Sony E-mount cameras.
Final call before we move to the next listing.
With this price gap and supporting comps, this looks like a worthwhile deal to check now if it matches what you need.
$52 ask, $70 market. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 camera has a clear value gap right now.
Quick price check. $52 here, compared with about $70 on comps, and that spread is still meaningful for shoppers.
Do the comps and confidence still support moving on this one soon?
We are comparing against 27 similar active listings, so this call is backed by meaningful data, and we are confident in the value case.
Beyond price, what makes this useful for the right buyer?
Here is the buyer context. This Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 camera is ideal for those who enjoy instant photography and want a compact, stylish option for capturing memories on the go.
Final call before we move to the next listing.
Pricing and evidence line up well here, so this one is worth a closer look while this value is still available.
$110 versus $166 on comparable listings. Is DJI O4 Air Unit genuine worth moving on today?
Quick price check. $110 here compared with about $166 on comps, and that spread is still meaningful for shoppers.
How confident are we in that pricing call for someone shopping today?
We are comparing against 30 similar active listings, so this call is backed by meaningful data, and we are reasonably confident in the value case.
Beyond price, what makes this useful for the right buyer?
Practical everyday fit. This listing is ideal for drone enthusiasts seeking a new DJI O4 Air unit to enhance their camera drone setup.
One sentence decision takeaway?
The value case is still strong, so this is a smart listing to review before pricing shifts.